Hello everyone, in this video we'll cover how we can apply at Shanghai Jiao Tong University on different kinds of scholarships. So I'll send the link to the description. You'll come to that link and then here you can see different programs: undergraduate, masters, PhD. For example, if we are going to take a look at PhD programs, so what are the eligibility here? You can see the ranking. Shanghai Jiao Tong is like well-renowned university and has 46th worldwide QS ranking. Eligibility for applying to Shanghai Jiao Tong University on scholarship will be non-Chinese citizen, good health, physically, mentally outstanding academic performance, bachelor's degree for master's applicant and master's degree for PhD applicants. Proficiency in English and Chinese and English for detailed reference. So you can check the language requirements here. Important dates: application open, deadline for first round of Chinese government scholarship, deadline for second round Chinese government scholarship, deadline for Shanghai government scholarship, and self-supported and then enrolled. How to apply? First you need to complete online application. Here we'll go that link and then you should register, apply online. Here you should first register and then log in and submit your application, and then you need to pay the application fee 800 RMB. Material you will require to have: certificates, transcripts, proficiency in English language proficiency or Chinese language proficiency, scanned copy of passport size photo, personal statement, study plan, 2 letters of recommendation. And if you are applying for a program, science, biotechnology, mechanical engineering, you are required to contact the supervisor beforehand and provide an acceptance letter by the supervisor. If your documents are not in Chinese, English or Chinese, please have them translated into either English or Chinese by an authorized translation agency. This is the tuition fee, but if you are applying for on scholarship, then you don't need to pay this tuition fee. So scholarship is basically for incoming international graduate student. There are 2 channels for scholarship: Shanghai Jiao Tong University or through Chinese embassy or consultants in the home country. Applicants may choose only one application channel. Replicated application through more than one channel are not allowed. Starting from 2024, scholarship for doctoral program will consist of Shanghai Jiao Tong Fellowship, CSC or Shanghai Government Scholarship, Shanghai Jiao Tong Scholarship, and scholarship for master program will consist of CSC, Shanghai Government Scholarship, Shanghai Jiao Tong Scholarship, and school college scholarships. Detail of each scholarship will be on the application system. They are saying that how you can apply for this kind of scholarship. Please note that applicant applying for Chinese government scholarship through Shanghai Jiao Tong University required to submit application before the specified deadline and upload the application form of Chinese government scholarship. So here on that link you need to visit that link and then scholarship. Here click here, and here you need to register and log in and submit your application. Then I have made the video here how you can register, log in and fulfill your application. I will add the link in the description. You can watch that video to follow stepwise procedure how you can apply for CSC portal. This is for if you are applying through Chinese embassy or consultant. And these are doctoral program in English language and doctoral program in Chinese language. You can take a look to these programs. Yeah, that's how you can apply on Shanghai Jiao Tong University on CSC Scholarship or Shanghai Jiao Tong Scholarship or Shanghai Jiao Tong Fellowship. So if you will have any question related to application procedure when you will be submitting the application, and if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos in all over the world, then you can subscribe to this channel. We daily upload some videos. Take care, and I wish you best of luck. So kindly like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.